Hello, my name is Shane Sanford. This is the Sanford Family Channel. Today is pretty much my first video, and I am going to attempt to begin crafting a gaming table that is custom with a television insert, a modular top, and built to fit inside of a billiard table. So bear with me as I fumble through this because I have no experience with woodworking, and this might be funny. So the reasoning for this video is I've watched a number of gaming table videos, and while a lot of these guys seem to know what they're doing already with tools, I was wondering if just your typical geek, gamer, DM could purchase some tools, put this together, and actually craft a gaming table. And it's not a simple gaming table. I put a lot of exceptions in this, and the expectations are pretty high. You know, it's got to fit into a billiard table because I have a nice billiard table room that I want to someday maybe record sessions in. It has to be standalone to replace the existing table where we're running sessions currently. It has to be able to fit downstairs into the room, which is easier said than done because it's a big table. It also has to be built to play board games on, any various games that I can think of. I think I'm probably going to put ambient lighting on the inside of it, and I want to make sure that it has power outlets. It also has to have a DM screen, though I usually play with the players instead of against them, and I feel that behind a DM screen I'm playing against the players. In this case, I want to actually play with them, but I wanted to develop a DM screen for those instances where I actually need the information in front of me or I have a lot of things going on. There are cases where I will actually use it. My initial plans were to build a couple of different types of DM screens, and I may revisit that, but what I ended up with was one specific one. What I'm building currently in this video is the TV frame. The TV frame itself can stand alone. It's just a device to hold the TV. You could set it down on a table. It looks nice. It's got plexiglass on top of it. You could play on it. But for my purposes, it's actually going to be inset into a table, and generally it's going to stay there. The table will seem kind of complicated once it's all complete, but if this project goes without a hitch, then you'll see what I'm talking about. I think I mentioned I have limited exposure with most of these tools. I'm not a craftsman. I'm not a woodworker. I'm a dungeon master. I've been a dungeon master for going on 35 years. I've been a gamer almost all my life. I work a full-time job, which takes most of my time. I got 3 kids, 3 cats, 3 dogs, a lot of threes going on. And during this project, I'm actually on vacation. I started it around July the 4th. I had some free time at night, and then the 4th of July I actually had some time when family was over where I could do some staining, and I picked back up on it the following week when I was actually off, or a couple of weeks. I don't remember. It's like the week of the 12th. Doesn't matter. I took some time off to actually do this project and record it. It's my first foray into recording, so I don't know a lot about videography, cinematography. Don't know much about YouTube, so bear with me as we go through this together. There's going to be a lot of sped up clips that are just going to show what I did, how I did it, and I'll try to talk through them. Just to fill in the space, because I don't want you just staring at a video of me running around left and right putting together things. At any rate, I just wanted to thank you for watching this video, and there will be more to come.